So over here, you can see that I am inside of a channel. And if I were to go around and scroll down, here you can see that I have this message right here. So if I want to expand this make it full screen and then read it, then you can go around onto this particular message and you can click on the three dot button right here. And here you can see Immersive Reader is an option. So once you go around over here and click on Immersive Reader, then what happens is that you can see that it actually goes around and expands the message right here onto full screen. You can go around over here and then you can also change around the text size. You can change the font as you can see right here. And you can also change the theme so that it's dark or it has a certain color over here as you can see just like this. You can also go around and increase out the spacing right over here as well. So that is what you have. You can go around and let's say, for example, you can highlight out different things like verbs right here, like nouns, right, adjectives right here, like adverbs over here as well. And then what happens is that those things will be highlighted as you were to actually work around with this. For example, verbs, it actually went around and highlighted the verbs as you can see right here. There's the nouns, it highlighted out the nouns right here just like this. You can also go around, change around the reading preference so that you only focus on certain part or very part right here. And you can also work around with this as you can see just like that. You can also go around and translate it to another language right here as you can see just like this. You can translate from other language over here as well, but you need to choose right here as you can see. So I'm just going to go around onto the preferences right here. And then over here you can see there's voice setting over here as well. So it can be male or female. You can choose the voice speed and let it read the message as well.
TutorTube 2 guest at Monday, July 25th, 2022, 4:52 p.m. Hello there, this is an example message.
And you can see that it reads out as well. And that is how you can use the Immersive Reader inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.